Montgomery. I'm traveling here in our RV, and we just took a staycation, I guess is what people call them nowadays, when you stay a little bit longer than you intend. But anyway, we're just up on the upper part of Arizona, northern Arizona. Beautiful day, beautiful fall day. I just wanted to take this time and just kind of explain how exciting it is to still be able to, you know, make money from the road. Been doing this 10 years, but I still get excited every single day that I see instant payments. You can see my laptop right here, one of my laptops, and my hubby's driving, so don't worry, I'm safe and sound. But I just wanted to just shoot this video and just show you how pretty this can be if you take the time to learn how to drive traffic, how to get people to your website. I got 2 people that I've never spoke to before joined today. It's just been really an amazing day. Got a little bit of a slow overload there. Size track. What is that? Oh, that's a tractor. Yeah, so anyway, I take a look at my phone today. Haven't even been on my phone, haven't even talked to anybody. I never do any telling, selling, or explaining. That's why I do the background work. You know, for example, making sure that the videos explain exactly what the product is. And that's why I do that, is for you, so that you can enjoy instant payments, automatic payments. Doesn't matter where you're at. And so, you know, capture pages and squeeze pages, those are always hot items. But also, people are really, really hot right now on my Craigslist training. Been getting Craigslist leads all day long today. And also, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I think I might have mentioned before, are really good days for paid traffic. What you're seeing right there is Flagstaff. We're coming up on a mountain, very, very big mountain. We've been pulling up a hill. You got to get up here 5,000 feet up, 5,000, sometimes 6,000 feet. So anyway, I just want to do this video here just to kind of show you a little bit of my lifestyle with my hubby, and just really enjoying this amazing day, fall day. So yeah, so anyway, check out the links below. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel where you're listening to this video, please do. I've probably uploaded at least 10 or 12 already in the month of October, and we're just getting started here with the Get Fearless Freedom movement. So I'm very excited about it. Go ahead and subscribe, ring the bell, so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Also, click the links below. There's going to be a description. You can earn, that's cool, Steakhouse is set 7 miles ahead. You can earn $200 instant commissions with the Get Fearless Freedom, which will help any business opportunity. Or you can join me in my mid-level ticket, Exitus, and you can make $1,000 a pop. So check out those links in the description below, and I will see you on the next video.